Okay, so these tail lights, at the farthest point from the body, they stick out roughly 3.5 inches. So from the round part of your bed to the corner of your light is about 3.5 inches. Now they stick out from the side about 2 or so, 2.5. So with this new style light, they won't stick out nearly as far. So all you need to get these old lights out is an 8mm wrench, socket ratchet, or this little zip gun like what I'm using. Take these two little 8mm bolts out, one on top, one on bottom, and your light comes loose. Alright, so now that your light's loose, all you gotta do is just give it a little pop on the back side here, and it pops right out. Now that you got your light popped out, you can go ahead and give your lights here a twist, pop those out. There we go. And you'll have this little one down here. It does have a safety clip on it. I would recommend a little pocket screwdriver to help get that out of there. And it is cold today. There it goes. And you just unplug it. It's getting a little bit more stubborn than what I like, so that's needle nose. There you go. And pull it straight out. And there you go. Disconnected. Alright, let's do a little side-by-side comparison. As you can already see, this one is the factory light, and it's a lot bulkier. A whole lot bulkier. So we're going to save a ton of space by going to that new style. Alright, so the lights I chose to go with are from a company called LED Factory Mart. It is a plug-and-play setup, so it's only one plug required. And if you go over to your factory harness, pull it down to where you can access it. There's got another little red safety clip. Pull it back, push your tab, pull it apart. Okay, now these taillights are left and right, and the way to tell that is this slope right here follows the slope here, right here of the Jeep. So all you do to connect them is take your plugs, push them together, secure your red safety tab, and then you're done. Right now all we're going to do is kind of, alright, there you go, there you have it. Let's give these a test. Pop it back out. We're going to take the supplied zip ties. We're going to zip tie everything up and nice and neat. Everything is secure. Pop them back in. Alright, so once your lights are pushed back in, you can put your mounting bolts back into it. Now we start these by hand, just in case there's an issue. There we go. simple as that. Tail lights are installed. Let's check to see the clearance now. I know before we had 3 inches, 3.5 inches from the corner here. Now we have 1/2 inch to 3/4 maybe, and less than that on the side. So we saved a ton of space. These are super easy to put in.